pwede bang verbal agreement lang?
Pag verbal agreement, pwede naman ang verbal agreement, but ang tanong dyan, is it enforceable? Kasi sabi ng batas, pag real property, depende kasi kung ano yung inupahan mo. Pwede ka naman umupa ng sasakyan, pwede verbal. But pag real property ang pinag-uusapan, pag real property, ibig sabihin lupa, bahay, it should be in writing. Bakit it should be in writing? Because if it is not in writing, it is not enforceable in court. So, hindi siya enforceable. It may be valid, but not enforceable. Kung example, nag-away-away kayo, na may violation sa pinagkasunduan ninyo, hindi mo pwedeng i-demanda sa court yan. Because, sabi ng batas, pag real property ang pinag-usapan, it must be in writing, it must be notarized. So, yun ang requirement ng batas. Unlike pag personal property, for example, MJ, pwede kong upahan yung kuan mo, yung motor mo, yung kotse mo. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng verbal. Pwedeng verbal, pero pwede din in writing. Pero kahit verbal, pwedeng enforceable yan. Basta personal property. But pag real property ang pinag-usapan, it must be in writing and it must be notarized.